Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the latest version of the car footrest for children and babies, a must-have travel accessory designed to enhance your child's comfort and safety on the road. This compact, gray footrest is compatible with all car and booster seats, providing a perfect solution for children who are walking and sitting in forward-facing car seats until their legs can comfortably reach the vehicle floor. Installation is a breeze, as the footrest easily attaches to the latch behind the seat, and for cars without a latching system, it includes hooks that slip under the seat, plus it conveniently folds down for easy access. Recommended by Dr. Lee, a renowned orthopedic surgeon, this footrest is praised for preventing misbehavior by increasing comfort and offering long-term leg protection for your child's knees. With its adjustable height and angle, it caters to different heights and comfort levels, ensuring a personalized fit for every child. Safety is our top priority, and the KneeGuard Kids footrest has passed rigorous crash and safety tests, including FMVSV 213 standards, so you can travel with peace of mind. Proudly patented in the US, this footrest is the ultimate travel companion for parents who prioritize their child's comfort and safety. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.